Welcome to Science Store online classes.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.
Hello dear students and welcome to CET JEE classes of trigonometry. In today's class we will continue to solve the examples from sum or difference of two angles. Alright. So the ninth question, the value of 2 cos 45 degree sin 15 degree is. So all these four problems are from the same set of formulas, and what formula are we going to use here? Okay, so the formula is 2 cos x sin y, and that is equal to sin x plus y. If you have cos sin, then it will be minus sin x minus y, is it not? Okay, so sin x plus y minus sin x minus y will give you 2 cos sin y. If you have sin x plus y plus sin x minus y, if you have plus here, then what are you getting? 2 sin cos, 2 sin x cos y. Similarly, you have two more formulas for cos x plus y minus plus cos x minus y, as well as for plus you have totally 4 formulas, and learn this set of formulas. Okay, so I have explained those formulas, how to get that formula I have showed. Okay, so please remember those 4 formulas, and then we will begin to solve these 4 questions. Now see, this is a straightforward question. I have this given in the question, so what should be written now? We should write this. So 2 cos 45 degree sin 15 degree is equal to, right? So sin x plus y. So in place of x, what do you have? We have 45 degree, correct? And in place of y, what do we have? 15 degree. So that is 45 plus 15 minus sin here 45 degree minus 15 degree. Well, so that is like sin, what is 45 plus 15, you have 60, and then 45 minus 15 is 30 degrees. So now just substitute the values. These are the standard angles, 60 and 30. Okay, so there is no difficulty. What is sin 60? Root 3 by 2, and sin 30 is 1 by 2. So that is root 3 minus 1 divided by 2. So which is option C. Is a very straightforward question. Okay, CET level question, very simple question. Let's move to the next question. Okay, so question number 10. The value of 2 sin 15 degree cos 75 degree. Now you see, you have 2 sin cos. So what is 2 sin x cos y? So it is sin x plus y, and here you have got plus sin x minus y. Well, so the previous one was minus, there you had got cos sin. Now if you get sin x cos y, then that's the formula. You have plus sin in between them. So now let us write sin 15 degree given expression, okay, and cos 75 degree, and that is equal to sin, you have 15 plus 75, and here sin, you have got 15 minus 75. right. So that is like 90 obviously. So sine 90 degree plus sine minus 60 degree. Now what is sine of minus x? It is minus sine x. Therefore this has to be written like minus sine 60 degree. Well, now substitute the standard values. Okay, these are the standard angles. So substitute the values of those standard angles in terms of sine. So sine 90 degree is 1 minus sine 60 is root 3 by 2. So what are the options you have got? So take LCM. So this is 2 minus root 3 divided by 2, and that is option D, fourth option. So fourth option is the right answer. Okay, so let's move to the next question. All right, so evaluate 2 cos. So you have got 2 cos x cos y, correct? So if you have 2 cos x cos y, then which formula are we going to use? So we can use the formula cos x plus y and then plus cos x minus y. So what if you have minus here? If you have minus, you will get minus 2 sin x sin y, right? So that's the fourth formula. Okay, well, now let's write what's given over here. So you have got 2 cos 22.5 degree and then cos 67.5 degree. So that is equal to cos x plus y. So in place of x I have got 22.5 and plus 67.5 plus cos. Once again the value of x is 22.5 degree and minus 67.5 degree. Well, now let us add and subtract. So you have got 68, 70 and then 90 degree plus cos, what are you getting here? See, this is 67, so 65, 45, correct, and minus 45 degree. So this is minus 45 degree, but cos of minus x is cos x, so that remains that will be cos 45 itself. Okay, that will be cos 45. So this is cos 90 plus cos 45. I hope you understood this. Okay, cos of minus x is cos x, whereas sine of minus x is sin x. So these two formulas from the allied angle, okay, rules. So I have explained this already, so remember these formulas. All right, so let's continue. Substitute the value of cos 90. Cos 0 is 1, cos 90 is 0, and cos 45, sin 45, you have got the same answer, 1 by root 2. So what is the answer? 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 2 is option C, and that completes question number 11. Let's move to the 12th question. Okay, the 12th question, you have got sine and sine. Okay, so do you understand that? See, we got the formula 2 sine x sine y and minus, correct? And that's the fourth formula, cos x plus y, and here cos x minus y. Is it not? Okay, so but you have got only sin x sin y. So what is sin x sin y from this? So sin x sin y is equal to this minus 2 has to be brought to the other side. So that will be minus 1 by 2, that will be divided obviously, and this is cos x plus y and minus cos x minus y. Well, so we have to use this form of the formula. So now let us write what is given. So sin 5 pi by 12 and then sin pi by 12. So that is equal to minus half and then all right, I need the options, so let it be there. Now cos, what is x plus y? X and y, correct? So that is 5 pi by 12 plus pi by 12 minus cos of subtract those two angles. So 5 pi by 12 minus pi by 12. All right, so that is the substitution in the formula. Now let us simplify it. So minus half cos, you take 12 common, 5 pi plus pi, 6 pi by 12, is it not? So this is 6 pi by 12 and minus cos 5 pi minus pi is 4 pi by 12. So that is 4 pi by 12. Okay, so now let us once again simplify. This is cos, 6 ones are 6 twos are, so that is cos 90, and here 4 ones are 4 threes are pi by 3, right? Okay, now let us simplify. Substitute. What is pi by 2? 90 degree. So cos 90 is 0. So cos 90 is 0. Minus what is cos 60? So cos 60 is 1 by 2. So that is 1 by 2. So this is minus half into minus half, that is 1 by 4, right? So minus and minus will be plus, 2 twos are 4. So 1 by 4 is the right option. Option B is the answer for 12th question. So let's move to the next set of problems. Given equation, see what you have to find is the value of theta. Alright, so let's start with writing all the trigonometric functions in the same way. That means if you have cosec, let me write this also as cosec. So do I have a transformation formula? Yes, I have. I can convert this. See, what is 1 plus cot square? That is cosec square theta. Therefore, what is cot square theta? It is cosec square theta minus 1. So this is the formula I am going to use here. So let's begin with that. 12 into cosec square theta minus 1 and minus 31 cosec theta plus 32 is equal to 0. Let us simplify this and see what we get. Just multiply this. So this is 12 cosec square theta minus 12 and minus 31 and 32. Well, now here you have got minus 12 and 32. Simplify that. So finally I am getting 12 cosec square theta minus 31 cosec theta plus 20 is equal to 0. So minus 12 plus 32, right? Now look at this. Factorize. This is like 12x square minus 31x plus 20 is equal to 0. Quadratic equation. So you got to factorize it. See, when you multiply, you should get 12 into 20. Okay, so when you add, you should get 31. So just split this. You can write 4 3s and 4 5s. So how you can split this? You can write 4 into 4, 16, and 3 into 5, 15, correct? So 16 and 15, if you add, you get 31, correct? So 16 plus 15. Therefore, you can go for this factorization. So this is like 12 cosec square theta, and minus 31 have to be split this way. So I'll write 16 cosec theta and minus 15 cosec theta plus 20 is equal to 0. Well, I hope you understood this. Okay, just like the quadratic equation, you have to factorize this. Well, now you can take 4 and cosec theta common. So out of this you will be left with 3 and minus 4. Here you can take minus 3, that's it, and here you will be left with you have to take 5, I'm sorry. So you have to take 5 because 3 you cannot take from there. So if you take 5, this will be 3 cosec theta and minus 4, which is equal to 0. So now take 3 cosec theta common, 3 cosec theta minus 4 common. So you have 4 cosec theta minus 5, that is equal to 0. So either the first factor is 0 or the second. So if the first factor is 0, then 3 cosec theta minus 4 is equal to 0, or 4 cosec theta minus 5 will be equal to 0. That means here 3 cosec theta is equal to 4, right? And then cosec theta is 4 by 3. That means sin theta is 3 by 4, correct? Or here you have got cosec theta is equal to 5 by 4. So sin theta is 4 by 5. So is it less than 1? Yes. And what about that 4 by 5? Yes, less than 1. So you have got two values of theta. So one value is sin inverse of 3 by 4 or sin inverse of 4 by 5. So these are the values of theta here. Well, let's move to the next question, question number 14. Alright, so this is a JEE question. This is the given equation, get tan square. So if you need tan square, what do we do here is we convert everything in terms of tan. Okay, then we'll get a quadratic equation, we'll factorize it, we can get tan square. That's the idea here. Okay, just like that. So what I'm trying to do here, get everything in terms of tan. So what should I divide here? Divide by cos to the power 4. So sin to the power 4 divided by cos to the power 4 will be tan to the power 4, tan raised to 4. Okay, so divide. Let me write the given thing first. That is equal to 1 by 5. Now divide throughout. Divide by cos raised to 4x. Okay, so if I divide by this, this will be, shall I write it directly? So half tan raised to 4 because sin by cos, and here that will cancel and only 1 by 3 will remain, and here you have got 1 by 5 and divide by this, so cos raised to 4. Now we don't need this cos we have to convert that to tan. Let's see how we can do that. So this is half, and here 1 by 5. Look at this, 1 by cos is secant, correct? So this is secant, and that can be written as secant square the whole square. Now what is secant square? You know this formula, 1 plus tan square is equal to secant square x. Okay, so secant square can be replaced by 1 plus tan square. So let's do that. Here you have got 1 by 2 10 raised to 4 plus 1 by 3 and 1 by 5. What shall we write here? 1 plus tan square. Okay, so we got everywhere tan. What do we need? We need tan square x. So what I'll do is I'll take this tan square x is equal to t, or what shall I take? Y. Alright, so I'll take it as y. Okay, then what happens here? This is tan square whole square, is it not? Okay, so that is half y square plus 1 by 3, and that's equal to 1 by 5, 1 by 5, and here 1 plus y, tan square we have taken as y, so y the whole square, correct? So this is what you have to simplify and finally get the value of tan square, that means y. See, we need y, that's it. So let's go for it. So this is 1 by 2y square, 1 by 3, and let us use the formula a plus b whole square. So 1 plus y square plus 2y. Okay, so this is what I have now. What I'll do is I'll take LCM. Okay, so this will be 3y square plus 2 divided by 6, right? And then is there any use of this? Yeah, we can cross multiply. So this is like 1 plus y square plus 2y divided by 5. So let us cross multiply. Alright, now let me cross multiply. This will be 15y square, so, and then 10, which is equal to I should multiply this 6 over here. So that will be 6 plus 6 y square plus 12y. Alright, now get everything to one side and factorize the quadratic equation. So this is minus 6 y square minus 12y plus 10 and minus 6, that is equal to 0. I am getting everything to one side, that is left hand side, and here 15 minus 6 is 9y square and minus 12y, note this carefully, and 10 minus 6 is 4. Okay, so this can be written as 3y the whole square minus 2, a is 3y and b is this is 6, so 12, correct, and plus 2 square, is it not? So this is 2ab, a square minus 2ab plus b square, b is 2, this is 2ab, correct? So in place of b I have 2 and this is b square. So what can we write this as? What can we write this as? A minus b whole square, and what is a? 3y, and b is 2 the whole square is equal to 0. We need the value of y, we need the value of tan square, right? So this is 3y minus 2 is equal to 0. If you take root both sides, square root of 0 is 0 itself, and then 3y is equal to 2. So finally, what is y? 2 by 3. What is y? 10 square. Therefore the value of 10 square is 2 by 3. Option B is the right answer for this last question. So that's it for trigonometric functions of sum or difference of two angles. In the next class we will solve the examples, and before that we'll understand the formulas of trigonometric equations. Alright, so thank you for watching.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.